Break it, ribs. All this meat.
Papa americano.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to RNG 103 show. Oh, what's John doing? I don't understand why he hasn't come yet. Now, it's time to start the show. So, today, I must be the master of ceremony only one.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh, not at all. But, why did you come late?
But hell, yesterday, hair recording will wash it. After I washed my phone with my hand, it had a bad smell. And got down. How can I get rid of it?
Why do fools fall in? You're lucky!
Oh, why?
Because we will present about modern washing machine.
Tumble. Conventional motion suitable for all cars. Stepping. Loosening twice courses after spinning. Swinging delicate smoothly underwater. Scrub. Detergent dissolves perfectly at water supply stage. Filtration. Wetting clothes evenly with detergent water spray.
This one, your problem are clear.
Really? It's impossible.
If you don't believe it, we will prove it participating in the show.
Okay. Morning is Bella. Do you have problem about washing clothes?
Absolutely yes.
I have no time for taking care of myself. I have no time for my husband.
And you, Martin?
For me, it's terrible problem. I have no time to do my homework. I have no time to read a book for entrance. And I get C or subject. Because I must watch this course.
When I have washing machine, my life is better. I have time to taking care of myself. And I have time to my husband.
Hey, finally I can enter to my university and I get A all subject. Thanks for LNG 103. That being washing machine is magic and make my life is better. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's true. Just only have washing machine, our life is better.
Not only have advantage, but it has disadvantage too. It uses a lot of energy, but we can save the world. We can wash many clothes per time.